Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Fishhawk, local and long distance movers near me. Long distance moves can be complex. We tackle long distance transfers professionally. Using our highly skilled technical staff and robust logistics network, we will shorten the duration of your transfer to a bare minimum, all while ensuring the cargo's safety. We have insurance that will protect your belongings at all times during the moving procedure. You may be confident that your things will be handled carefully and reach their destination on time and intact. We can provide reasonable long-distance moving services because our extensive fleet and ability to organize our freight effectively. Local moves appear to be easier due to the little distance involved. However, there are numerous logistical aspects to consider, and you must also correctly package and handle your belongings if they are to arrive intact at your destination. We also help our customers with local moves, and we recommend relaxing for a few hours prior to meeting with us at the location. We will get the job done quickly, allowing them to focus on other logistical chores while we handle the transfer, making their transition easier. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fishhawk moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.